Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to do the derivative. So in this one, we can apply about the quotient rule. The formula that should be like this. That means we need to do first the derivative of a multiplied by b minus we need to do first the derivative of b multiplied by 8, then we divide by b squared. Now we can apply this formula to this one, so that should be like this. So first the derivative of sin 5x, that is about number 5 cosine 5x. First the derivative of x to the power of 4, that is about 4x to the power of 3. And this is about the power rule of the derivative. Now we can simplify number 4, number 5, and number 5. So we have 100. So number 5, number 4, number 4, that is about 80. This is the end. Thank you for watching.